Girls, so last time I came on here, I told you that you needed to start using this before it got steamy outside. And you listened, and I'm so grateful. But there are some things that I missed out. There are some things that I forgot to mention, and that's on me, and I apologize for that. But what I'm not gonna do is not let you in on the information. So let's get into it. Okay, so first, again, after you get out that shower, clean every bit of your body, you're going to get out of that shower, apply this to a cotton round. You can put it in a spray bottle, baby, whatever floats your boat as long as you're using it, okay? You're going to apply this to your under armpits, okay? If you are a heavy-chested woman, in betwixt, underneath, all right? We're going to hit the sides, not inside. That's gonna burn. We don't want nothing burning, okay? Okay, on the sides, we're going to hit the sides. We're going to spray them cheeks, not with the same cotton round. Get you a new one. Left, right, get in there, okay? It's your butt. You just cleaned it, right? Okay, so get in there, throw it away. Once we throw that away, this is the most important part. This is what I did not say in that last video. You need to get a fan. Okay, all right, okay. And if you don't have one of these, I know you got one of these. I know you do. You got to. Now, this is my personal favorite. Put that thing on a low, cool setting. Right here. Right here. Make sure she is dry. Dry. Not dried out. Dry. Dry. Okay? A cool setting. Because I promise you, it is going to change the game. Having her dry at the beginning of your day is going to set you up for success the rest of the day because there's not going to be an odor. Now, if you have not tried this, everybody on mute. You don't have a say because you haven't tried it. And everybody that has tried it, come to the front because I know, you know that it works. So, make sure she's dry. I promise you there will be no odor. If you have suffered in any form or fashion with the little tang at the end of the day, try it. And a blow dryer or a little personal fan or floor fan, whatever you need to use to make sure it's fully dry. And not just the front, make sure the back is dry too. Make sure the back is dry. I promise you, change the game. After that, you can go about your regular hygiene routine, putting on lotion, putting on perfume, whatever. And I can really get into all of that, baby, because I promise you, I smell just as good as I look. Okay. And honestly, we can make this into a little series because there's nothing I love more than talking about looking good, feeling good, and smelling good. Okay? Okay. Everybody ain't taught, but everybody can definitely learn. So anyway, I'm going to head out of here, but before I do, I know you're going to ask me, girl, where is that PJ set from? And it's from Amazon, girl. And it's already in my storefront if you want it, okay? And it has pockets. It does have pockets. If you want it, it's up there, all right? Now, y'all going to have you a good night and keep me uplifted in prayer because I am on the sick and shut-in list, okay? I'm trying to recover, but I had to report for duty because the girls needed me. And when the girls call, I answer. All right. I love y'all. Goodbye.